Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2019 Toyota CHR Limited. Comes equipped with a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine paired with a continuously variable transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather heated seats, NV 18-inch alloy wheels, remote start, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this all-black interior with tons of extra paneling and storage on the bottom. You'll have your speakers equipped on the bottom as well. You'll have this diamond texture throughout the vehicle with your power locks, power mirrors, and your power windows as well. And moving on to the seats, you're going to have the manually adjustable premium leather heated seats. Very comfortable. Left side you'll have your vents as well as your headlamp control. Left side you'll have your voice recognition as well as your volume control and your mode selector. And the right side is your odometer clutch control and as well as lane departure warning, rear alert, and as well as cruise control down below. So with the odometer here, you pretty much access quite a bit of vehicle information, including your service, your eco mode, as well as your G monitor, driver assistance, and as well as you have your music, lane departure warning, other messages, and then there's other settings included with your blind spot monitor, your drive mode, and forward collision alert. It's going to be push to start here. You'll have your climate control with your heated seats and as well as the heated rear windshield. Here onto the infotainment system, you're also going to have a bunch of apps downloadable with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as Bluetooth connectivity. You can also access quite a bit of vehicle information, including your trips and other information. Down below, you're going to have a USB port with some extra storage. You're going to have the cup holder there with the shifter, parking brake, and as well as your traction control, the extra cup holder, and the center console with the 12-volt DC port. Passenger side manually adjustable as well, same finish. You know, the diamond texture across, speakers up top, and here you can access your reading lamps. You're gonna have these 18-inch NV alloy wheels with the red and black accent, the paint match mirror caps, and the century door handle. You're also gonna have a rear spoiler in the back, as well as that little lip. Trailer hitch down below as well. Open up the back. You can also add a splitter in if you would like. 2 LED lamps, and as well as extra wheel well storage down below. It's a very spacious rear. Moving on to the rear interior, again that diamond texture, speakers on the bottom with the power windows and the cup holder. Up in the back, you're going to have storage behind the passenger and driver's seat. Unfortunately, only just the middle headrest, no cup holder, but you're going to have the lamp right up top. Well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2019 Toyota CHR Limited. Comes equipped with a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, as well as 18-inch aftermarket NV wheels, leather heated seats, remote start, lane departure warning, Bluetooth connectivity, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe. We hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.